Yo, Brody, that stimmy just hit. So where we going? ATL, Vegas, or Miami? Haha. What's good? It's your boy Chill Will. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's episode, we're gonna discuss don't blow your stimulus check. Instead, learn what to do with it. And understand, nearly 41% of Americans don't even have $1,000 for an emergency fund. So if something happened, car breakdown, somebody kidnapped somebody, hey, we need a rack real quick. They don't even got it. Yeah. And besides the food that we eat, one of the leading causes of death is chronic stress, which is caused by money and other things, but money is at the top of the list. Like, how do you sleep at night when you know you ain't got no funds to handle something if something go wrong? Definitely sleep better at night when your pockets is fat. And if you don't want to fall victim, watch the whole video. You're going to learn a couple of methods to help alleviate that stress, to help you sleep better at night. Because if your finances are right, you're going to be sleeping like a baby. So you may hear this information before, or this may be your first time hearing it, and it may just resonate with you the way I'm saying it, but it will help you get the foundation and help you get out that mud. So let's learn how to invest that stimmy, and let's jumpstart your road to financial freedom. So the first method to do with that stimmy is to start an emergency fund. Yeah, it should be obvious, but like I told you, 41% of Americans can't even cover a $1,000 emergency. So we want to start with 6 months to 12 months of all your expenses. So write out on your phone or on paper everything that you need to live, and we're going to start there. And for me, I like 18 months. So if anything come up, any opportunities, I can strike. I don't have to worry about finances. I know all my bills can be covered, and I can focus 100% on this thing to try to double or maybe even triple my net worth. Now we decided how much we're going to invest, 6 or 12 months. Now we got to decide where to park the money. I would suggest a money market account. You get more interest on it, and you still get to draw out your money whenever you need it, just in case an emergency come up, which is the purpose of the fund. Or if you already have an existing relationship, you want to do everything quick, you can get a savings account, pay you a little bit of interest. We're not worried about interest in this particular account. We're just worried about stacking up our designated time so we can have that emergency fund, so just in case anything go left, we'll be covered. And for those who can't get a bank account out there, I would just open up a brokerage account with any stock market, Robinhood, Webull, TD Ameritrade, etc. You can park your money in there and just hold it. So it can act like a savings account, and when you need to withdraw it, you can. But understand, with those type of accounts, it's going to take at least 2 days, 48 hours for the money to clear for you to withdraw it. So plan accordingly if that's the route that you got to take to start your e-fund and start saving. The next method is to open up an IRA, Individual Retirement Agreement. I recommend the Roth IRA because it's the way that you can become a tax-free millionaire. With the traditional IRA, you're putting in pre-tax money. So when you withdraw it at the time of retirement, they're going to tax you on that. But with the Roth IRA, you are putting in after-tax money that you already pay tax on. So by the time you become 59 and a half, you can withdraw that money. Now understand, the Roth IRA is just a vehicle. You still have to put the investments inside. And that depends on your age, how quickly you want to retire when you reach retirement age, the lifestyle, the location that you live. Those are going to determine what you're going to put in there. But if you want safe bets, index funds are safe, ETFs are safe. Over the long term, you could look at any of those 1 to 5 year or from inception of that particular ETF fund, and you can pick which one that's always in the green, that had a great return on the last 5 years. The next 5 years might not be that, but you can have a forecast of see the dips and the grooves of the stock. And of course, for the risk investors out there, you pick you a stock, whether you're a fundamental or technical analysis, ride that ship to the moon to aggressively save for your retirement so you can live that lifestyle that you want, especially if you live in California, New York, or a major metropolitan city like that. And the third and final method, invest in yourself. So say you got your emergency fund. Say you got everything situated about that, but you weren't happy with your job. You want to be an entrepreneur, like your boy. You want to start something. You want to have your own. Invest in yourself. Buy some courses. Get some coaches. Get a consultant. No matter what you want to do, a food truck, a catering business, selling t-shirts, starting your own personal brand. There's somebody out there that's done what you want to do, is successful, and can save you the time, energy, and the mistakes that they went through, and streamline everything, and be your mentor, and be right in your ear, and be a a text away, hey, I need to run this off of you. You could do that with your $1,400. Just pick the niche or the thing that you want to learn and go for it. Say you don't want to be an entrepreneur. Go to Google, buy some coding classes, learn how to code, and then you can learn real estate, learn how to house hack, do other things from there. But that starts with investing in yourself. There's a course, there's a coach, there's a consultant for any and everything that you want. You just gotta find it. So please use this $1,400 wisely. We had the same $1,400 last year. A lot of people still in the same situation. You don't want to be one of those. Take my advice in here. Either start your IRA, invest in yourself, or beef up your emergency fund or start it. So make sure that you won't be one of those 41% of Americans who can't cover a $1,000 bill. And it's your boy Chill Will. Until next time. And remember, the underdog will rise.